Have you ever wondered how your body fights off harmful germs and infections? Our bodies are like fortresses, constantly under siege by harmful invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Our defense system, the immune system, a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work in harmony to defend our bodies. Imagine a castle with two layers of defense, the outer wall and the inner fortress. Similarly, our immune system has two main parts. First, we have the innate immune system, our body's first line of defense, akin to the castle's outer wall. This is what we are born with, ready to tackle any foreign invaders. Then there's the adaptive immune system, our body's inner fortress. This part of our immune system develops as we grow, learning and adapting from every disease we encounter, building a stronger defense each time. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of our immune system. Imagine having an army that's always ready to protect you. Sounds amazing, right? That's exactly what your innate immune system does. This biological marvel is always on guard, providing a general defense against harmful pathogens. Whether it's bacteria, viruses, fungi, or any other disease-causing microbes, the innate immune system is designed to fend them off. The innate immune system is our body's first line of defense, the one that springs into action the moment an invader is detected. It's like a vigilant sentry, never sleeping, always watching. But how does it do it? Let's dive in. The innate immune system is composed of a variety of components. First, we have physical barriers. Think of them as the walls of your fortress. These include your skin, which acts as a robust shield, and mucous membranes lining your respiratory and gastrointestinal tracts, which act like sticky traps, capturing invaders before they can cause harm. However, pathogens are crafty, and some may bypass these physical barriers. That's when our cellular defenders come into play. Cells like neutrophils, the most abundant type of white blood cell, are the foot soldiers in this immune army. They patrol our body, gobbling up pathogens they encounter. Then we have macrophages, the big eaters, that can swallow and destroy these invaders. But the innate immune system doesn't just fight off invaders, it also alerts the rest of the immune system about the battle. When a macrophage engulfs a pathogen, it displays pieces of the invader on its surface, like a warning signal. This danger signal alerts other immune cells that there's trouble afoot, prompting a more targeted response. So the innate immune system is like our body's first line of defense. It's our unsung hero, continuously battling to keep us healthy. But what happens when a germ gets past this line? Well, that's when the second line of defense, the adaptive immune system, steps in. But we'll get to that in the next scene. For now, just remember your body is a fortress, and the innate immune system is its ever-watchful guardian. Enter the adaptive immune system, the second line of defense that's more precise and effective. This isn't your run-of-the-mill army. Rather, it's an elite task force specifically tailored to target and neutralize threats that the body has previously encountered. Let's delve into how this system works. Picture an unwanted intruder, a pathogen, invading your body. The innate immune system, our first line of defense, takes a swing at it, but the pathogen proves to be a tough nut to crack. This is where our adaptive immune system steps in, with its remarkable ability to recognize and remember the pathogen from previous encounters. Now, the adaptive immune system is not a single entity, but a team of specialized cells, primarily T cells and B cells. T cells, often termed as the cell killers, identify and destroy infected cells. They are like detectives, scanning cells to detect any signs of infection. Once they locate the infected cells, they eliminate them, preventing the spread of the infection. On the other hand, B cells are like the manufacturers of the immune system. They produce antibodies, proteins that can latch onto specific pathogens. These antibodies flag the invaders for destruction or neutralize them. Think of them as tiny homing beacons guiding the immune system to the enemy. What's truly fascinating about this system is its memory. Once it has encountered a specific pathogen, it remembers it. If the same pathogen tries to invade again, the adaptive immune system can mount a faster and stronger response. It's like having a wanted poster with the pathogen's face on it, ready to be recognized at a moment's notice. So the adaptive immune system remembers past invaders and attacks them more effectively. But how do these two systems work together? Well, that's a story for our next scene. Just like a well-coordinated team, the innate and adaptive immune systems work together to keep us healthy. Imagine the immune system as a castle under siege. The innate immune system is like the castle's moat and walls, the first line of defense. It responds immediately when an invader, say a bacteria or virus, tries to breach our body's boundaries. This system is non-specific, meaning it doesn't discriminate between types of invaders. It simply launches a generalized attack to slow down the assault. While the moat and walls are holding the invaders at bay, the castle's knights, our adaptive immune system, are getting ready for a more specific defense. Unlike the innate system, the adaptive immune system is highly specific. It identifies the exact type of invader and produces specialized cells tailored to combat it. The adaptive immune system has two types of lymphocytes or white blood cells, B cells and T cells. B cells produce antibodies that recognize the invader and help in its destruction. T cells, on the other hand, are like the commanders of the immune system. They coordinate the immune response and also directly kill infected cells. Interestingly, the adaptive immune system has a unique ability to remember. When it encounters a pathogen, it keeps a record of it. If the same pathogen tries to invade again, the adaptive immune system can launch a faster and more effective attack. This immunological memory is the principle behind vaccinations. The innate and adaptive immune systems are not isolated from each other. They're like two sides of the same coin, working in harmony. The innate system informs the adaptive system about the invaders, and the adaptive system in turn enhances the innate system's ability to resist infections. So our immune system is a complex, well-coordinated network of cells and organs, but what can we do to support it? Join us next time as we delve into ways to boost your immune system and keep your castle strong and invincible. You might be wondering, how can I boost my immune system? Quite a universal query, isn't it? Well, the answer lies in a handful of lifestyle factors that can significantly support your immune system. Firstly, a balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health. Consuming a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can provide your body with all the essential nutrients it needs. These nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and E, along with zinc and selenium, play a pivotal role in maintaining a robust immune response. So make sure you're consuming a rainbow of fresh produce every day. Next up, regular exercise. No, you don't have to train like an Olympian to reap the benefits. Simple activities like brisk walking, cycling, or even dancing can work wonders. When you exercise, your body's antibodies and white blood cells circulate more rapidly, potentially helping them detect illnesses earlier. Plus, the temporary rise in body temperature may help kill bacteria, thus preventing them from multiplying. Moving on, let's talk about sleep. One might say it's the unsung hero of a healthy immune system. When you're asleep, your immune system releases proteins called cytokines. Some of these substances can promote sleep and fight off infections or inflammation. So if you're skimping on sleep, you're essentially robbing your body of this precious healing time. Lastly, it's essential to manage stress. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system and make you more susceptible to illnesses. Find healthy coping strategies that work for you. This could be anything from yoga and meditation to painting or listening to your favorite music. In conclusion, boosting your immune system is not a one-off event, but rather a continuous effort. It involves making healthier choices every day. Eating well, staying active, getting plenty of rest, and managing stress. Remember, a healthy lifestyle can go a long way in supporting your immune system. So, take good care of yourself and stay healthy. So we've journeyed through the incredible world of the human immune system. We've delved into the innate and adaptive immune systems, the remarkable mechanisms our bodies use to fend off invaders and keep us healthy. We've discovered how these two systems work in harmony, each with its unique role, yet both essential in the grand symphony of our health. We've also learned how we can support this intricate system, from a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals to regular exercise and adequate sleep. These seemingly ordinary habits are the keys to an extraordinary defense system. Let's spread the word about this marvel within us. Share this knowledge with others, because understanding our bodies is the first step towards taking better care of ourselves. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, your body is remarkable and your immune system is one of its most impressive features. Stay curious and keep exploring.